नाउ एनलॉस प्रिंसिपल या फिर वी प्रिंसिपल, देखो ये है एनलॉस प्रिंसिपल। क्रेनियोफेशियल रीजन में बहुत वी शेप दिखती है, जिसमें बोन वी शेप कंसिडर कर लो, बोन का वी शेप, उसमें एक साइड इधर एक्सटर्नल और इंटरनल डिपोजिशन होगा, एक साइड रिजॉर्प्शन होगा, एंड जिस साइड डिपोजिशन होता जाएगा उस साइड बोन मूव होती जाएगी। दैट इज व्हाट एनलॉस प्रिंसिपल। Now, the growth of palate is one of the best example expanding V principle by Enlow. Now, V principle is clear. Why is it expanding? Expanding इसलिए because जैसे जैसे bone move होते जाती है, bone deposition on one surface and resorption on the other, bone move होते जाती है from one position to other, उसके साथ साथ expand मतलब चौड़ाई में भी बढ़ती जाती है. Width of the bone also increases, it also expands. So there is deposition on the inner surface of V and there is resorption on the external surface of V. It results in bone movement. See, this is how bone moves on the direction where there is deposition. With the movement, V also increases in size, matlab expands. So the periosteal surface is lined by osteoclast, whereas the endosteal surface is lined by osteoblast. Inner surface endosteal surface, वहाँ osteoblast होंगे. Periosteal बाहर का surface is lined by osteoclast, bone resorbing cells, osteoblast bone depositing cells. So this increase in size and the simultaneous मतलब उसके साथ साथ movement of the bone in the shape of expanding V is called expanding V principle. The direction of growth is towards the wide end of the V and a simultaneous growth movement and enlargement of bone occurs. मतलब growth movement भी हो रहा है, bone आगे भी बढ़ रही है और enlarge भी, बड़ी भी हो रही है. So this is the example of expanding V principle in mandible. See, side view. See, this would probably let you know how the downwards and forward displacement of mandible is occurring and how the condyle that we have already seen is growing, displacing to maintain the contact with the fossa. This is primary displacement of mandible and वहाँ पे condyle भी. And this is V principle of growth in condyle. So I hope I have made myself clear. This could be asked as a SAQ. Thank you. Keep visiting.